disassembly and reassembly video of the JW-14 by Norinco. You're going to take a small punch and you're going to punch out and you're going to slide off this ring here. Good to have a rubber mallet handy because this is pretty tight on there. Slide it over the front ring. You go ahead and just take that piece off. Be careful, this metal piece here comes off real easy. That's just stuck on there. Okay. Give it a little whack there, sometimes it gets stuck. Now there's a little screw right there. And that keeps this tube on. And unscrew that. It's very shallow. And you can go ahead and start unscrewing the box piece and hold on to it because there's a spring in there that's going to come flying out. If you don't hold on to it and be careful. Any second now. There it is. So there's the back piece. And out comes your spring. It's made up of different pieces. That fits on there like that, and on the other end comes apart like that. Now the tricky part is to get the bolt out. So we're going to move it to about here. we're going to turn the handle. And somewhere right there it comes out. And then you can just slide out the bolt. And included with the bolt will be the hammer. And there we've disassembled the rifle for cleaning. Okay, now we're going to put it back together. And take the bolt carrier. Okay. Take the hammer. I'm going to drop it. There's the extractor. I'm going to drop it narrow end towards the extractor into the channel. And obviously we're going to stick it extractor forward in the end there. Okay, so you got to get yourself a small nail or a pin. You're going to slide it in, and you're going to notice it's going to stop. Okay? See if you can see this. Right here, there's a little lever with a hole in it. You take the nail, and you have to stick it in the hole. Right there. Sorry, stick it in the hole, and you push it sideways like that, to the left. And you'll notice that it'll depress. Gonna wiggle it a bit. There you go. And you'll notice that it is now depressed to the left. Right in there. And right above it here we have the hole for the handle. There we go, the bolt is now moving freely inside there. We're going to take the handle. There's a notch in it. This is really hit and miss. You're just going to take it, and you're just going to slide it back and forth until you get it. Wow, I got it right away, I'm lucky. You usually have to slide it back and forth and twist and stuff, and you'll get it eventually. Okay? Oh. So, you know, if you go too far back, it'll lock up on you there, so you gotta take a, go too far back, then you're gonna have to lift it up. Lift the bolt handle out a bit and pull it back over. You go too far back and it slides that to the left, so you got to lift the bolt handle back out, push it back in. And it'll always turn like that no matter what you do. Okay, so there you're in there. Now you're going to take your spring, and stick it in there, and you're going to make sure inside that it sits inside the back of the bolt carrier. And you're going to take the cover and you're going to push that sucker in there and turn it. Nice and snug. And we're going to take our pin from our little screw from before. And we're going to put it in the bottom here where we took it out from. It gets tight right away. Stock back over here. Drop that right in there. Take our screw back in the stock there. Take our hand guard. Make sure it's still got the metal piece on it. We're going to stick it in under the front sight. We're going to put it down. We're going to take our sling, slide it over the barrel, slide it back onto the end. Give it a little tap. Take our pin, pop it in the side there, give that a few whacks. And there you have it. Rifle assembled.